So Taiwan announced 281 local COVID cases and 261 backlog cases on Tuesday for a total domestic case count of 542. Infections were reported from Taitung County for the very first time since the pandemic began. New Taipei had the most new cases of any city or county, accounting for more than 50% of the total.
Today, we have 281 local cases plus 261 cases from the backlog and 2 more imported cases for a total of 544 cases.
With 154 cases, New Taipei accounted for the lion's share of Tuesday's 281 cases. It was followed by Taipei, which had 49 cases. As of Tuesday, the virus has spread to every city and county on Taiwan proper, even the final bastion of Taitung. The CECC said the trajectory of the epidemic will become clear this week.
What we're saying is that the trend will only gradually start to emerge starting this week. What we've seen so far is that there hasn't been a sudden deterioration. But what might be cause for worry is, what matters most is how soon we can detect the disease after the onset of symptoms, and how soon we can isolate the case after the detection of the disease. Another key factor is our medical capacity. These variables will have a huge impact.
Looking at the latest figures, Taiwan's COVID case count rose sharply after May 14th, hitting a peak of 510 cases on May 17th. In just 11 days, there have been 4,126 cases. The good news is that the COVID curve has stayed flat. Officials say it's a sign the outbreak is not getting worse, but that more data is needed for a final determination. And for the third day in a row, officials reported 6 deaths from COVID-19.
Among patients 60 and older, the rate of developing a severe case has risen to 20%. This is indeed something that we predicted at the outset of this COVID wave. It could be because of the mutations of this particular virus strain, or because the patients have chronic illnesses, or both factors could be having an influence.
In related news, 410,000 more doses of the AstraZeneca COVID vaccine are set to be ready for use on Friday. Without naming the brands, the CECC said that 2 million more vaccine doses will arrive in June and 10 million doses will arrive by the end of August. So far, some 310,000 people have been vaccinated in Taiwan.